all and welcome back. Today let's go through delivery packages in Odoo 14 community. So in Odoo you have the possibility to deliver your products in different packages depending on the volume and or weight of your products. So first you need to activate delivery packages featured in inventory application. For that we have to go to apps and enable the option that is to install the app that is delivery cost. So when you just remove the apps filter and search for delivery cost, you can find that here. So it is already installed. Okay. Now let me open inventory module. Okay, so when you come under configuration, you can find a menu that is for configuring delivery packages. So just open that. So you can see already one package is created. So you can create a new delivery package by clicking create button. And here we can provide the carrier. So currently we have no carrier. Then we can mention the height of the container. So you can set the height here. So the measure is in meter. Height, width, length, then maximum weight of this container. This package can be mentioned here. Then we can add barcode for this delivery package. Then package code can be given here. And you can save this. Okay, so after creating a delivery package, you can see the details here. We can just go to come under products and create a new package and use this delivery package inside that. So in order to view these packages, you have to enable packages option in configuration settings. So after that, when you open packages and here, let me open B1000. So here we can add the package type. So here you can see the container that we have just created. So just select that and you can just save this package. Okay, and one more thing, when you go to configuration settings, here when you come, you can see some shipping connectors, that is providers. So if you want to use these providers, you have to enable this and upgrade and purchase the product, purchase the apps from Odoo pricing, because these options are available in enterprise only. So if you want to use here, you have to upgrade it. Okay, so now let's create a sale order. Okay, so here we can set the customer, invoice address, and delivery address can be seen here. Then we can set quotation template, expiration date of this quotation, then price list, payment terms, and then here we can add the product. Okay, so I need this combination 3 and lowercase black 2 quantity, and then let me confirm the quotation. And you can see the delivery where we can validate the delivery. So here we can see delivery address, then source location, then you can see the product details, detailed operations. Then here we can see an option to set the destination package of this quotation, this product. So here we can set the destination package. And we can save and validate it. Okay, so here we can see the package detail. So here we have our package, and we can set the package type. We can set a package. Okay, so we can set the package container that we have just created, and we can save this. So this is how we create delivery package and set the delivery package for our product package and deliver to customer. So that's all about delivery packages in Odoo 14 community, and we have done a detailed video on product packages available in Odoo 14, so please check that.